let me show you what to do when the pattern says TRDEC in the next 2 stitches. So that means a treble crochet decrease in the next 2 stitches. We will wrap the yarn twice around our hook for a treble, then go into the next stitch and yarn over and bring up a loop, and then yarn over and go through the first 2, yarn over and go through the next 2, but now wait with the last pull through. Instead, we wrap the yarn twice around our hook, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over and bring up a loop. We have now 5 loops here on our hook. We will yarn over and go through 2, then yarn over and go through the next 2. And now we have 3 loops here left on our hook. We yarn over and go through all those 3 loops at the same time. So as you can see, these 2 stitches here now, we're now joined into 1 stitch here up at the top. We'll do one more together. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the next stitch and bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, and yarn over, go through 2, then yarn over twice, go into the next stitch and bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2, and then yarn over and go through the remaining 3 loops. So this is how you work a treble crochet decrease.